Hello everyone, so today I'm just gonna go through a quick setup for my new Wacom tablet, and I just ordered this 2 days ago and today arrived in Amazon. I will have the link below to see which version I have. I bought the small version, so because I want easy to carry around, and then if I go to coffee shop I can carry around easily. So let's get started, and the first one I want to set is the pen, and I have to select here and then select pen or function. So I'm gonna select pen and double click. The last one is double click. Let me see, keystroke. I'm gonna do Control Z for the undo. So I'm gonna do the undo for here because I just see which one I'm using most of the time. So I'm gonna use undo for this one. And right click, I use right click a lot for the editing as well. And the fill, I'm gonna try the firm. Tip, double click, distance. So I'm just leave that one. And let's test it out a little bit, and I'm gonna just try it. So yep, I just this is my first time start using it. It feels good. Actually it's really nice. I think I just need couple hours to get used to this because I have been using mouse all my life, and then I haven't used the tablet before, but definitely feels pretty cool, like dragging around. So this firmness is good to me. And then let me try the brush tool, and then let me try exposure because the exposure has the max. Yeah, this dragging feels cool too. Let me I need to increase the size also, so I'm going to use this scrolling wheel to increase the size. Actually pretty cool. It's based on the pressure that applied to the tablet. Yeah, I'm just trying around this. And then I can do the undo. Let me try the undo button. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna use the undo for the front. So it's good to try it out and then see which one is better. So let me go back to this one, and then let me go back to the setting. So this is my first time trying. I'm gonna use right click on this one, the right click, and then do the undo on the bottom. So let me try it one more time. Yep, that's pretty cool. Undo. So okay, so this is pretty good to me, and then I'm gonna do another one. Tip double this until sensitivity eraser. Okay, so this one, let me see which one I use most. So I probably do a keystroke. So for now I'm gonna use the B for this one, because I add to the target a lot for this one. And what else? The O for this one also. For the overlay, I'm gonna just name it overlay. Collection, add to target collection. Let me see which one I use most also. Oh, the development, I think it's D, so I'm gonna keystroke, do a D. Forgot. Development, and then okay, so the development and so I'm gonna add the keystroke here for the overlay. Development and library, I'm gonna put them together. So library development, so keystroke, I move the overlay to here. Overlay, and then this one, keystroke, G for library. And then development, overlay, I'm gonna use the redo. Hold up, let's see. For this one, redo. Keyboard, let me see which one. I might change it later, so for now let me see. Oh, I'm gonna use this for before and after. Okay. Oh, interesting. Just remember to add that again, because you see me, I just found it after I click here. I forgot to click the Adobe touch ring, yeah, auto scroll and zoom. Okay, so that's about it. Let me try it out. this one. Okay, this is the library and development. And let me try the right click one more time. Yep, it's pretty good. And then this is overlay redo. Okay, so that's about it. So let me do a test flight, and let's see what's the usual. I probably need to do a shortcut on this one also, but anyway, let me try the field. Okay, slightly adjust a little bit, and then so far so good. Yeah, I probably need a toggle of the crop tool also, because I click it a lot. Sometimes I forgot like what tool I use the most, so I probably try the crop tool. So and then let me try. Oh, yeah, this feels pretty good. Let me go back to here. Yeah, the cropping seems still a little bit too tight. I probably use the 1:1. Let's see. do. And then let's see the green, drag it down a little bit more. Okay. The crop, let me do 4x5. Okay, the export is another one that I use mostly also, so I'm gonna use the export button in here as well. So the other thing I noticed, I might need to make it smaller in the area of the sensitivity. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.